the best way that I have found out how to dye clothing, and it is the best way I have tried so far, and it's with shaving cream. Everything I bought from the dollar stop here in Kincardine. This is the dye index. This is how I organize it. Straight up, tape them together, and that way if I don't use it all, it doesn't get everywhere. You just get like really nice patterns exactly how you want it. I probably in total spent like $5 on the supplies for this. To get started, find a big box and cut the top of it off. Then take some tape and put it in a bunch of spots like double-sided way so that when we stick a big plastic sheet over top of it, it won't move around on us. Smooth the shaving cream out with a plastic spatula after you spray a ton of it out. I can't wait to try this out a bit more. Like, I might leave it like a little more basic next time I do this, because the biggest thing that you want to try to avoid is overworking it. When you do put your shirt on it or whatever material you're going to put on it, it pretty much copies it exactly. I'm just really impressed with how much control you really do have over it. When you're happy with your design, take your shirt and lay it flat and pat it down a little bit. Then try to have a little bit more planning than I did. I probably should have just like lifted it and turned it on its back and pat it down again, but I did it a little bit strangely where I started doing it in like thirds for some reason, but it did turn out really awesome and like it looks great. You can pretty much immediately rinse it off. Rinse it off in cold water so your design doesn't spread. Let it air dry, and then iron it to set the dye. I was very impressed with how well this technique worked and how much control you have over where the dyeing ends up. Now, I don't actually have a picture of me wearing this t-shirt because I immediately turned it into a miniskirt. So I'm going to be making that video very soon, and I'll post the link at the end of this video. Well, we have dyed a shirt with shaving cream and dye today, so if you've made it this far, you should definitely subscribe, and I will see you later, alligator.